In today's episode, the new terminal at Leeds Bradford Airport, some severe banking over Horsforth, the Jet 2 fella,
for now you must stay seated.
me practicing my Spanish badly,
Yeah.
Okay. Cash in hand, no Monzo, a beach eventually, and a really nice final destination. On the famous bus, look out for the ghost in the suitcase here. There he is. A lot quicker through security nowadays. Anybody who's been through recently, no scans for liquids anymore, or they scan your liquids in your case. Here's the mad scramble for £6 sandwich at Boots, and into the new terminal. I feel sure they're going to change this entrance because it's a bit of a squeeze. So yeah, there'll be a few people watching this video that have already been through. Fantastic, what a difference. And look, Mr. Happy here, look, in the Everton kit, glaring at everybody. But yeah, look at this, wow. Loads of new places opening behind these screens. I think there's more seating going in. You can see how busy it is. Really, really nice. But we were ready for it, weren't we, at Leeds Bradford? Passenger numbers are going through the roof. So off we go. Everything's on the doorstep now, getting out of this terminal. Jet 2 staff, they're so nice, lovely people. I've never come across anybody who's not helpful at Jet 2. So I'd only booked this a day or two before and didn't do any seat upgrades, so I ended up at the back, which was fine, and I think got the row to myself. We were due to take off at past, but there were some latecomers and we missed our slot. There we go, nearly an hour later. I don't know why we waited for them, but that's a different story. And this is the best feeling in the world, isn't this? Going off. Lancaster bomber pilot who's going to do a big bank now over Horsforth. There we go. And as if by magic, here we are at César Manrique. Seem to spend a lot of time on this runway. All ready to get off, and look at these ne'er-do-wells, as a friend of mine would call them. Just glaring, not offering to kind of shuffle my case down that's moved during the flight. What is it about air travel that brings out the worst in people?
Cheers, thank you.
This girl at the ND, I've done so many flights with her, she's great. I think she's based in Leeds. So this lady in front decided to just unilaterally stop halfway down the stairs because she decided the bus was full, everybody behind her. I must have said something under my breath, because the boyfriend, Mr. Hardcase, half-beard, Oakley glasses here, kept glaring at me. Come and have a go, if you think you're hard enough. And we had the mad scrum, but we've got the new passport scanners in there now, and that was way quicker, despite people putting their passports in closed. So I'm running now, and again, I must have been in a glaring mood, because I glared at the guy from car hire, a bit of aggro with the previous month. And here we are. Anybody knows this airport, the taxi rank is really well marshalled. You never have to wait long here.
Hiya.
But again, seemed to get Mr. Grumpy. But anyway, no wait. Just decided I didn't know where I was going, even though I described it quite precisely, so I had to show him the map, and he caught on.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
We're very close to hitting this 7-hour target, sorry. Completely pointless, as I say. But somebody pulled up outside where we were going to stop and kept us waiting for another 5 minutes, but there you go. And my Monzo didn't work again. My Monzo never works in taxis in the Canaries. I don't know why. Never mind. Got a bit of cash.
Thank you very much.
We jump out, and you know people talk about the happy place and you want to slap them, but if I've got a happy place, it's out here, best end of Puerto del Carmen. So yeah, we nearly made it. See if the flight will be on time, you'll be fine. So close. great bit of beach, just only tiny. And as I say in my caption here, I've got a bit of an emotional attachment to this shop for some reason. Happy place again. Not cheap. Alright Nick, we know you've got a bit of a thing about Oasis at the moment. Cheers Charlotte. Yeah, over the zebra and down onto this lovely little beach. And as you can see here, so Amazon sent me one of these under the seat bags, you can see it there, look, to try. And I'm going to link it in the description because it was really good. I normally take a big hard antler case. It's not a tough case, it's just a hard case, if you see what I'm saying. But I took this and I managed to get a lot of stuff in because you can kind of squeeze it all. Even got a towel in this time, which worked out really well because I had a bit of a snooze on this beach with my shorts on. But yeah, definitely take that again. And again, happy place, cliche, White Lion Bar. The guy said welcome back. Such a nice thing to say. Oh, here he comes. I'm going to explain things again now.
So, got in outside that 7-hour target. The guy from the accommodations just told me that it's ready. So I'm going to go back, have a quick shower. All right, speak soon.
So I stayed here a couple of times with my boys, James, Joel, Tom. They've repainted it, as you can see, boys. This end of town, if I was buying in Lanzarote, this is where I would buy. This was so nice. Again, booked this like the day before. The owner, he was a really nice chap, and he did the typical thing. I've had this 2 or 3 times in last year, where they say, when you come again, don't go on booking.com, don't go on hotels.com, don't go on Airbnb, come direct. So, yeah, might be doing that next time. But this was really nice, really well equipped, spotlessly clean. Full review pending on that one. Please comment, like and subscribe. It helps us a lot and it's completely free.
Rented dates.